sweet shop. Even yellow cat is here. See, it's all the impression or it's all the art of sweets. Plus there's so much of flies. It's rainy season, that's why. But it's so big. Automatic doors. Everything is there. Especially Pani Puri. See, this place is a nice place. You should come here often. It's in Thane.